Hi everyone, this is Maureen Mates on I can hardly see that. It's 27th of August 2023 on a Saturday afternoon at 4:15. This is a wee new update. Thanks for the new subscribes and new likes. I welcome any new subscribers. Thanks for the recent ones joining in. In the last video it was when I finished off the two wheels. Well, the two wheels is up in the wall in my bedroom. I'll take you to it. Yeah, Clyde, the bum bum. Right, we'll show you. There he is. There's the two wheels up my wall. No dream catcher. Run it in. You know, that's it up my wall. That's it, fully finished. Hey, Clyde. He's so cute. See, little Clyde. Oh, he's a puppy wuppy woo. So, the Repco numbers were drawn, and two of the ones that I've done already been finished off. Hiya, Clyde. Oh shit. So, been finished off. So the next one I've done, I'm still doing my birthday start for my daughter. Clyde, what are you doing? So here it is. Oh, the rose is coming on nicely. Done some of that today, so doing about 200 stitches in between two colours. Round about there and round about there. So I'm doing it a different way. I usually do it block with block with block, but that's the birthday start. That's 11 count, 14 stitches. Because I looked up on Amazon and it helped me. So that's the birthday start. What else? Tell you. Lady. Oh, no. Off we go, wee guy. And my baby boy. I'm going to start doing the Cat Magician because that's got to be finished by, it's a Halloween one, I think. And then finish those ones off. It's the Cat Magician one. So I'm going to try and get this finished for Halloween. That's the next ones I've got to do. So that's another one I've got to do. I just need to find the threads from it because I put the threads somewhere else. So that one has got to be finished. Oh shit. Finished next for Halloween. I hope it will be finished for Halloween. That's the Cat Magician. That is another 11 count, I think. So I'll do that. That's for my Whipco. That we're starting the 1st of September. And I'll do I found out another name for that, my birthday one on Amazon. That was Dragon and Rose and Dragons. That's what it's called, Rose Dragon. And I think there's another one, or the two wolf ones are finished, so there's a cat one. Oh, it'll be the big black cat. So I'll do these two now, get this one finished. For October. So yep. I'm still doing the Whipco, the brain fog coming up. The Facebook challenge group and putting them in. And I've still got a lot of them to catch up to do white colours and make wee fires and all that. So I'll finish that soon. Hold on. Clyde is a boot. He's a monster. Ain't you, Clyde? You're a monster, Clyde. You're a monster. Here we go. This is finished at the end of the month too, so I've already done about 3,500 stitches, I think. Aye, 3,500 stitches so far, and I've got to make up to the challenge to get to 4,000. So I've got another 500 stitches to catch up. So I'll do them over the weekend and I'll get 10 points from it. And the other ones in the book is there. I've still got a lot to do in them. Is stitch one different fabric. I've got different fabric, but I can't find it. And I've still got to make a Christmas gift. Because I've got to do as a personal one. But I haven't got into that yet. And the end of the month thing, but I'll probably not do it. Share your favourite whip. Oh, I ran out my favourite whip, so the next one will be a cat, maybe the cat. That would be my favourite whip. The Magician's cat. Or the big black cat. That'll be up. Stitch and White, Stitch of Fire, Stitch of Tent. I'll probably do the ones at the end, or the night or the morn. So that's that. I might start doing wee stitch for me again. Since the dark nights are coming in. It's 8:30. The nights are dark here now, and it's been raining and sunny all day today. So what else could I say? Clyde, what are you doing? I've started my new thing. It's not with the cross stitching, it's with my knitting. I'm knitting a top from something, and this is my first try at knitting in the round. My knitting. It's rib. That's what it's come from top down, so it's in rib. So this is my first attempt. No, this is my first attempt of doing it. Because the first time I did it, it didn't work out. So I'll back on track with it again. So that's a new thing for me. That's a thing the first time doing round. Knitting something round. I usually knit and plain. And I've got Clyde on me. This is supposed to be a poncho. Oh, I'm supposed to do up to 50 centimetres. It keeps changing colours. Supposed to do up to 50 centimetres. And then change and cut it down and then shape it again. So I'm doing that as well. I've been kind of busy. It's been cross stitching and knitting and diamond art. Oh, and I've got new diamond art. I've got one for Clyde. I'll show you that next time. That's it's my birthday money. Hold on, I'll not get it out. I'm going to put it by somewhere. I'm not here to see it. Right, hold on. Trying to get the right top. Right, here we go. Tidy. It looks very whitish. Clyde when he was a pup. So I got that with my birthday money as well. So looking at the fingers, they're all kind of tiny numbers. So I'll see how that's work out. I might get one for cross stitching one of them to see how that works. Right. And now that's my birthday money as well. And when I'm doing that's another one. Louise gives me, my daughter gives me a wee how do what is that? Wheel. If I sit down with that. To do I'm doing all these all week. I've got a group on Tuesday, I do the 5D. So I might start doing wee stitch with me next week if I get time. So it's just wee updates what I've been doing recently. I've nothing much to say except for Clyde's going for his check-up next month and hope he gets a full bill of health because he's a monster. He's here. Clyde, say hello. Say hello, Clyde. Say hello. No. He didn't like his camera shy. Right, so Clyde, jump. Jump. What boy. Get past, Clyde. So and I'm waiting well for the jumper for it. So merino wool kids silk. To finger with this jumper I'm knitting. Can't believe I'm knitting on the run. So it's the first try. You got to learn things new every day. That's one of my achievements this year, to knit things be something new. Which I haven't done anything yet. So that's one of my attempts. Just say it's a confidence booster. Aye. We'll see how that goes. I'll be progresses with that. I've not read any. I'm still reading the Vine Witch book. It's kind of witchy, you know that. It's interesting. And I've added another book. Is it the Bullet Club book? I think I've put it in motto thing. So that's that. I think that's all I could say today. Saturdays and Sundays. I call them my lazy days because I don't do much. I don't have Louise stay with me all weekends. They're going on holiday on Monday to Friday. So I'm peace for a fortnight. Clyde is just here on me. Clyde, you good boy, you want a treat? So now there'll be wee videos during the week. Like we try and get wee stitch with me out, or wee knit with me out, or wee 5Ds with me out. And try to make a new channel. Try to make a 5D channel. But I'm just going to show this again. So that's all I could say for the now. I hope everybody else has had a great week of cross stitching or knitting or 5D. My email stitchymoz is my Instagram, and see I've got 1 like and 1 new subscriber since the last video. Thanks for that. keep giving me likes, keep giving me the thumbs up, keeps giving me more support. I welcome new subscribers and I appreciate the ones that's already got it. So thanks. Bye. Take care. Speak soon. Right. Love you. Bye.